In this video, I will show you how to make money online with CPA marketing and CPAlead.com. What's up marketers, I'm Mar here, and CPAbuild.com is a great CPA network and lots of advertisers are using it to promote their products and businesses. So as affiliates, we can get a share of that promotion budget by promoting the CPA offers available on CPAbuild.com. So before I dive into the details of this video, and if this is the first time on the channel, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and or drop a comment. It will be a very appreciated support. And if you're not already registered to CPA Build, there is a link in the description below where you can register and get approved right away. So I have two specific methods that I use to make money online using CPA Build. The first one is promoting the offers. So you go to the menu that says offers here at the left hand side, then you click on all offers and you will see all the available offers that you can promote to make these kind of commissions here. So it has a very simple and intuitive template here or layout where you can see the names of the offers, the countries where the traffic is accepted, also the payout, how much you earn from each offer, and also the EPC, which stands for the earnings per click. So you can choose any offer that you like here, and then when you decide to promote it, you click on this button here that says get links, and it will give you your unique affiliate link to promote that offer. All you have to do then is copy this link here and go ahead and start your promotion. Now, if your website is getting traffic, most of the traffic from a specific country, you can specify that country here. Like for example, you say United States, and then you click on search here, so you will see only the offers available in the United States. Well, by the way, let's just take a look at what happens when we choose United States on this screen here. So let me click on United States and then click search again, and I will see all the offers that you can promote for the traffic coming from the USA. And like I said before, all you have to do is click on get links, copy this link, and promote it. You can use also this filter here at the top to choose which category of offers you want to promote. You can see here that there is mobile pin submit, mobile installs, general surveys, download and install, email and zip submit, credit card submit, etc. So usually the credit card submit are the ones who have a high payout. So if you have a budget to promote these kind of offers, this will be a very lucrative option to take. But if you are just a beginner and starting out, you can use the category that says download and install, general surveys, email and zip submit. The payouts are a little bit low, but you can start with that, make some money, and then start promoting these ones here. I mean, if I choose it here and click on search, I will see that. Let me remove the United States first, and then now everything is by default, and I just changed the category to credit card submit. So I click on search, and now I have all the offers that are credit card submit, and you can see that the payouts are high: $25, $18, $19, $20 for each action taken. Any visitors that you bring to these offers and gets there and clicks on the offer, submits his credit card, you will get this kind of commissions here. The second method that I like to use to make money on CPA Build is the content lockers. If you see here at the menu on the left hand side, you will see content lockers. Here you can build or modify a content locker, and here you can get the codes to implement in your landing page. The idea is very simple here. Is when you have a premium content that you want to give away, if someone completes an action for you, you will implement the content locker on a landing page just like this one. So I have this package here, which is a premium content that I want to give away for anyone who clicks on this button here, which is the content locker, completes an offer, and then once he completes the offer, he goes right away to the download page where he can get his package. So let's check what happens when I click on the button. So when I click on the button, CPAbuild will bring these offers here, and it will give the time necessary to complete the offer. And if a client decides to complete one of these 3 offers, once it's done, it will be taken to the download page, and I will be making a commission. And if you want to learn more about this great method, I actually made a video, a specific video here, explaining exactly how to set up and implement a content locker and a landing page. This has all the details you need to monetize your premium content using CPAbuild content lockers. So please go ahead, click on the videos tab here on the channel, and then click on this one video here that says content locker landing page setup. And then if you have any other questions, please drop them in the comment section below. I'll be personally back to answer your questions. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next video. Cheers.